It looks like you have to pump your fire truck to get to the end. I'm gonna head and do the Rescue Academy. So we're getting on the ride. This is our rig.
I think this is the driving thing. What's this?
Here. I mean, which side do you want to stand on?
Hey, you have to help
Like the
with
video.
this part, Bob.
Subscribe.
How much?
Get notified.
Pump it, and that's how we move.
No, go on this side with TT.
I can do
Wait, he
this.
didn't say to go yet.
If it's just us two, they can do it.
Listen.
Do you want to do it in audio? Or do you want a video? So you guys got to pump, and then Mommy's going to hold down the lever for us to move.
Daddy, how about we
Once that fire has been put out, you're going to hop back into your trucks and head towards the station, y'all. Are you guys ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty, y'all. We're going to be in 3, 2, 1. Start pumping.
Start pumping.
All the way up and all the way down, you guys.
All the way up and then all the way down. Do you guys want some help?
Yeah.
Tiffany, go over with Kane. Go over with Kane.
Come here, Tim.
Go with Kane.
You do that.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Good job, you guys.
Teamwork.
Keep pumping, guys. Keep pumping. Keep pumping.
Can I put out the fire?
And go ahead and light your fire for the other 7.
Open the door, Tim.
Open the doors, they pull in. Okay, you guys didn't even bother opening the other door. You good, Mommy? All right, Mommy and I will pump on the fire hydrant, and you guys got to put out the fire. Ready? Yeah, aim at the little circle, the bullseye. You got to keep aiming at it. All right, hurry, we got to get back now. In case there's another fire, we got to go. Mommy's going to pump this time. Good job, guys. You got the fire out.
I'm sweating.
Kane, come stand where I am and hold this lever. Come here. Hold this lever and push it towards Mommy, okay? Here, T, I got it.
No.
Okay, okay.
Hey, stop.
Tiffany, we got to go faster.
Good job.
There you go, Kane. Yeah, make sure you're holding it all the way towards
Like the
Mommy.
video. Subscribe.
Keep
Get
holding.
notified.
You guys are good.
We did it! We put out the fire! We're firefighters!
Lego City.
Yay!
I cannot.
Watch out.
I cannot.
You can't do this one again? You're sweaty. Nice manners, thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you for watching.